Oh, hold on.
There. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, got him.
Here, reel this one in.
No. Does he have it? Yeah. Reel it in. Reel it in.
All right. Oh, look at there. He's a
big one.
spider, huh?
Big one. I got him.
You reeled that one in, didn't you?
I'm gonna catch a nano one.
What do you think about that?
I'm gonna catch a nano fish.
This is just too easy, isn't it? All right, hold on to the pole, okay?
I'm gonna put that one in the water, then I wanna put the other and catch a nano one.
Okay.